I'm a movie guy. I love movies. All right. So the other day, The Karate Kid was on. I watched it. I love that movie. Isn't it amazing how you can see a movie a billion times, but if it comes on TV, you'll watch it. But even if you own it, you won't just go grab it and put it on. Okay, anyway, I was watching it and I thought to myself, you know what? This is a valuable lesson for new traders or for traders that are looking for profitability. All right, let me explain to you why. All right, you remember Karate Kid Daniel. Daniel was getting his behind spanked. All right, he was getting beat up. He wanted to be able to defend himself. Okay, so he asked Mr. Miyagi to teach him karate so that he could defend himself and stop getting the floor mopped with him. All right. So when he went to Mr. Miyagi, what did Mr. Miyagi do? He put him to work. He gave him chores. He told him to paint the fence. Right? He told him to wax the deck, wax on, wax off. He had him doing all these different tasks, and it made Daniel mad. Daniel was like, what the heck? I came here to learn how to whip some butt. This guy has me doing manual labor. See, that was the mistake. All right, you remember when Daniel finally got upset, he went to Mr. Miyagi, he was going off. He was like, man, I'm getting my butt beat. I asked you to teach me this. You got me doing your work. And then Mr. Miyagi just gets upset and he attacks him, right? And what does Daniel do? He just instinctively starts blocking. He starts doing all the techniques that Mr. Miyagi was teaching him through those manual labor tasks. That's trading. That's trading. Okay, we see these sexy videos with these people claiming to make all this money. We want to immediately jump in there and start doing what they do so that we stop getting our butt beat, right? That's what we want. Okay, instead, we should be focusing on our defense. We should be focusing on the fundamentals, okay? The risk management, the making sure we focus and specialize on one particular setup until we've mastered that. Okay, we want to create or set up a brokerage account and immediately do the crane kick. We're not ready for the crane kick yet. You have to take baby steps. It takes time, it takes commitment, it takes discipline, all right? That's what the movie was showing. Mr. Miyagi was like, I got you. You have to trust the process. All right, Daniel ended up being very good, okay? When he stopped fighting the process, he wanted to jump the steps, okay? There's levels to this. There's levels to trading. All right, don't think that once you identify how trading works, you just stop learning. No, it's continuous. Okay, I now consider myself a consistently profitable trader, but you know what? I've just now arrived. I've just now earned my black belt. Okay, that means the training is just beginning. Okay, when you haven't reached your black belt yet, you're still learning the basics. Okay, I've mastered the basics. The need for discipline, the need for particular setups, for finite session times, for applying the rules consistently day in and day out. I've mastered that. Okay, now I'm working on advanced level. Okay, that's the way it works. There's levels to this. Even veterans that have been doing this for decades, they are still learning. The need for continuous improvement never stops. It's an ongoing process, so you must learn that. You must be willing to take the steps and to put in the time to get to where you want to go. Don't just try to cut and go to the advanced level. It won't end well for you. All right, so go back and watch Karate Kid. Awesome movie. The 80s were the best. All right, anyway, that's all I have for today. As always, trust the process, be patient, don't over leverage. You will be successful. We'll see you next time.